Can adding a little cinnamon actually make your chocolate pie taste expensive? Today, I'm going to find out. No fancy chocolate bars, just a simple pantry swap to see if this is actually a game changer. Hi everyone, I'm Pika, and welcome back to Baker Affair. Let's get started. Okay, so the ingredients you're going to need are 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and either 3 egg yolks or 2 eggs, whole eggs, your choice. I'm going to use 3 egg yolks today. And 1/8 teaspoon to 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Let's get started over by the stove. So in a pot, you're going to add the whipping cream, the sugar, the egg yolks or eggs, and the cinnamon. The cocoa powder. Okay, I think it's done. See how it's like thick? It's like pudding, like liquid pudding. See how it's sticking? So now I'm going to strain it, just in case. And now come back over there. Okay, so is adding a little cinnamon really making this pie taste more expensive? Well, to be honest, I don't know. Here's the pie. I did not cook it long enough, so it's more like a pudding pie, which is fine. See how watery it is? But that's okay. At Baker Affair, we're allowed to do this. Well, if it was set up, it would be delicious. But I don't think the cinnamon really did anything to it at all. So that's my 2 cents. It's delicious if you love pudding. I didn't cook it long enough. I will leave the recipe below, and I will let you know that you need to cook it longer than I did. And I hope you try it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Until next Wednesday, ciao.